If you are not getting referrals every single day, then you are losing money on the table. In our previous episode, we talked about how to actually build an army of lead getters, and in today's video, we are going to talk about how to get more referrals from your customer. I still remember when I used to think that referrals happen automatically, but after learning that it can be built intentionally, everything changed for me. So, here is where everyone goes wrong. When they think that they are not getting referrals, there are major two problems. One, your stuff is not good as you might be thinking, and second is you are not asking for the referrals. People don't ask because they are afraid of asking. Here is what I have seen with the referral. The referred clients come in, he pays the upfront cash, and he sign up for the program happily. I was having low CAC and high LTV, which is the dream formula. But referral doesn't come automatically. You have to ask for referrals intentionally, or else you are not gonna scale. Without asking for referrals, you are going to stay small. So you need to ask for referrals. So here are the 6 ways you can ask for referrals. First, you need to call out properly. Once you call out your audience properly, automatically the lead quality increases, and so your product quality as well. You need to focus on perceived likelihood of your achievement. So make sure the best clients get the best results, so they will bring the new clients. Reduce the efforts and sacrifice. Don't make your client work for or put in efforts. You do all the things for them. Deliver early, decrease the time delay, and call out properly. And have a proper dream outcome. Show them what they are going to get once they sign up, because if they achieve results, they are going to bring in more customers. And have a proper call to action, because if you don't have a proper call to action, people want to buy more, and they will buy, but not from you, from someone else. So, and you need to ask for referrals. If you are not asking, you are not going to get referrals. You need to ask intentionally. Keep this in mind. I am repeating this every single time. So here are the 7 ways you can ask for more referrals. You can have a one-sided benefit. You pay the client who brings in more clients. Or you can have two-sided benefits. You pay the client as well and the person who joins your program. You can use it as a negotiation. Like, bring me 3 clients and I will give you a $200 off. You can have a very limited amount of referral program for a limited amount of time. Like, for 2 weeks, if he brings the client, you will get rewarded. Or you can have an all-time referral program. Like, the whole year you bring in a client, I will give you your money as well as a bonus. And the last and the best one is, you can bring, if he brings the client, you can give them an unlockable bonuses. Bring in client and you can get access to this exclusive course for free, that is for $2,000. And the best you can do is give them a coupon code that will expire in next 14 days. So they are forced to use that coupon and bring someone in the program. And remember, people only refer if they can think that their referral are going to get, or their friend is going to get or have a good time or good result from what you are providing. So you need to make sure you are able to provide proper result. So also make sure you are improving your stuff every single time. So now that you know how actually the referral system works, referral system is the key to growth. So you need to build that system and you will never grow out of the business. So always remember, if you feed more people, you will never run out of hunger. Now that you know how actually referral system works, in the next video I'm going to cover how to actually make more money with employees. So you don't want to miss out on this. So hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.